Here's the 2004 3-ton Trane XB10 air conditioner running on an 84-degree day. Putting out some heat in the fan. Not enough air though coming out. Coil is totally clogged. I'll show you that. Yeah, that's how it should look. And that's how it does. That's just disgusting. It's got a Climatoff reciprocating compressor. And this unit is very noisy. It would probably be a heck of a lot quieter if it was cleaned, but you know. Reverse effect, disconnect. Oh yeah, that liquid line's burning hot. Suction line is cold and sweaty, and so it's working great. Show you the data sheet. It's an R22 unit, model number 2 TTP 0036 A1008A, manufactured in April 2004, installed June of 2004. It's pretty loud. Yeah. And this is a little bit big for the house. The house is only about 1,200 square feet, but it does have a full basement that's mostly finished. I think it's about 60% finished, and then they use the rest for furnaces, storage, and laundry. But it's a nice house. But yeah, this unit's a little big for the house because it cycles even on 100-degree days. I'm glad it hasn't turned off yet during this video. But yeah, anyways, so this is the 2004 Trane XB10 running on an 84-degree day. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.